How to unmute story on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your home page, right? Now, first you have to make sure that you have updated the application, then you can proceed to the tutorial. So the first things first is, of course, we have to mute story. For example, this one, you don't want to see any story coming from this profile or from this account. So what you're going to do is here you will see three dots here, right? Tap on that. And then here you will see mute. Click on mute and it will give you these options. So since we just want to mute the story, click on mute story. Now you have muted the story and you won't be able to see any story coming from that specific account. Since you want to unmute the story, what you're going to do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options. Go to your profile and then on the upper right, you'll see the three dash lines. Click on that three dash lines and go to settings. Now, after going to settings, go to privacy. So under privacy, what you're going to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the connections section. And then you will see here muted accounts. Click on muted accounts. And then here you'll see all the accounts that you have muted. And then what you're going to do is to just simply tap on unmute and of course toggle off this mute stories here. Now, as you can see, you have successfully unmuted the story. So do the same thing with this. Toggle that off. And basically that is how you unmute the story. As you can see here, it is now back on the story sections. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.